In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track orders in Go High Level. We'll walk through a simple process that lets you see and manage your orders in just a few clicks. Even if you're new to Go High Level, don't worry. I'll explain what each area is for and why it matters so you feel confident using it on your own. First, log into your Go High Level account and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where your sales are happening. This is important because orders are tied to a specific location. Once you're inside the right account, look for the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that menu, you're going to click on Payments. This is the central hub where Go High Level keeps everything related to money. Things like products, invoices, subscriptions, and of course, orders. When you click on Payments, the system will load a new section dedicated to your financial activity. Inside the Payments area, you'll see several tabs or options across the top. To focus specifically on what customers have purchased, click on the tab labeled Orders. This will take you to a page that lists all the orders associated with that location. Here, you can usually see details like order dates, customer names, order amounts, and statuses such as paid, pending, or refunded, depending on how your account is set up. Take a moment to get familiar with this orders page. You can typically sort and filter the list to quickly find what you need, for example, by date range or by status. This is especially helpful if you're trying to reconcile your sales, follow up with customers, or share information with your team. Now, if you want to work with your orders outside of Go High Level, such as in a spreadsheet or reporting tool, you can bring all that data out in one go. To do that, look for the option that says Import as CSV. In this context, this button is used to handle order data through CSV files. When you click on Import as CSV, Go High Level will prompt you to work with a CSV file, which is a common spreadsheet format. This is useful for bulk updating or aligning your orders with data from other systems. Before you import or export anything, it's a good idea to double check your file structure and keep a backup of your existing data, just in case. And that's it. By going to Payments, opening the Orders section, and using the Import as CSV option when needed, you will be able to track and manage your orders more efficiently inside Go High Level.